Top strategies for automating model retraining pipelines. In this video, you'll learn methods to efficiently automate your model retraining processes, ensuring your AI models remain accurate and up to date. Let's dive in.
Did you know that AI models can become outdated within months? As data evolves, so should your models. Automated retraining is crucial in ensuring that your models stay relevant and accurate. By automating the retraining process, you reduce the need for manual oversight, enhance the accuracy of predictions, and make your systems more responsive to new data. This video explores how you can set up and optimize these pipelines, preparing your models for ever-changing environments. AI models are designed to learn from data, but as the data landscape shifts, these models can quickly become less effective. This phenomenon, known as data drift, can lead to significant drops in accuracy if not addressed. Automated retraining helps combat this by ensuring that models are regularly updated with the latest data. It reduces the risk of human error and provides a scalable solution for managing multiple models. By integrating automated retraining, organizations can maintain high performance and align their AI strategy with long-term business goals.
Selecting the right tools for your retraining pipeline can be daunting, with options ranging from open-source platforms like TensorFlow to commercial solutions like AWS SageMaker. Key considerations include integration capabilities with existing systems, ease of use, and the ability to scale as your data grows. Moreover, continuous deployment support is vital for seamless updates. Conducting a cost-effectiveness analysis will help ensure you choose a tool that meets both your technical requirements and budget constraints. Triggers play a crucial role in automating retraining pipelines by defining when a model should be updated. Common triggers include time-based schedules and performance-based thresholds. Integrating these triggers with monitoring tools ensures that retraining happens only when necessary, optimizing resource use. It's crucial to balance retraining frequency with system performance to avoid unnecessary computations. Regular testing of trigger effectiveness can help fine-tune your retraining pipeline.
Determining the right frequency for retraining your models is a balancing act between maintaining accuracy and optimizing resource use. Frequent retraining can strain computational resources and increase costs, whereas infrequent updates may lead to outdated models. Employing adaptive scheduling strategies allows for dynamic adjustments based on current model performance and available resources. Conducting a cost-benefit analysis helps in finding the sweet spot between resource consumption and model accuracy. Continuous monitoring and feedback loops are essential for maintaining the health of your AI models. These systems provide real-time insights into model performance, allowing for immediate action when performance drops. Feedback loops enable constant improvements and adjustments, ensuring models remain reliable and effective. Utilizing monitoring tools effectively can enhance your ability to track key metrics and improve model outcomes.
Parallel processing is a powerful technique for optimizing retraining pipelines, allowing multiple tasks to be executed simultaneously. This significantly speeds up the retraining process and efficiently manages large data loads. Tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop provide robust support for parallelism, enabling faster retraining cycles. By reducing retraining time, you can ensure your models are updated more frequently without overtaxing your resources.
After retraining, it's crucial to test and validate your models to ensure they meet accuracy and relevant standards. Employing various testing methodologies, such as A/B testing and cross-validation, helps verify model performance. Utilizing test datasets effectively allows for thorough examination of model predictions. Continuous validation practices ensure that models remain effective over time and provide reliable insights. Examining real-world examples provides valuable insights into the effective implementation of automated retraining pipelines. Google's ML pipeline showcases how automation enhances scalability. Netflix recommendation system highlights the importance of continuous updates in maintaining user engagement. Amazon's forecasting models demonstrate the power of automated retraining and predictive analytics, while Uber shows how real-time data analysis can improve service delivery. These examples provide key takeaways that you can apply to optimize your own pipelines. As we've explored, automating your model retraining pipelines offers numerous benefits, from improved accuracy to reduced manual intervention. By implementing the strategies discussed, you can take your AI systems to the next level. We encourage you to actively manage your models and share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and consider voting on future topics you'd like us to cover. Your engagement helps us create content that meets your needs.